Hi everyone. Today I'll be participating in a collaboration with Cooking with the Naughty. The collaboration is hashtag funfries. And the idea is to make fun fries sometime during the month of July. So my contribution is air fryer garlic Parmesan fries. So what all goes into the air fryer garlic Parmesan fries? 2 medium russet potatoes, washed and dried and sliced into fry-sized pieces. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 2 teaspoons garlic powder. And 1 tablespoon oregano. So let's begin. I have another new gadget that I've had for several months. Have never found a time to actually use it. Here's the PrepWorks Tower Fry Cutter, and I will go over quick details of what it consists of, nothing major, just so you kind of get an idea how it works. Alright, so here it is. It has 4 pieces to it. I've already rinsed it, so if you see little water spots, that's why. Ow! It's sharp, I just cut myself. Alright, so it has the base. Does not have a bottom to it, that's why I have the cutting board on it. It has the cutting grate, which is what I just cut my finger on. So be very, very careful, it is sharp. And this is the pusher plate, which you set on top of that. And then here is the top. So then that just sets down there, and then you will be pushing this to be putting the potato through the grate. And I'll be right back. Preheat your fryer at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. So I'm going to have to talk kind of loud because I got the air fryer going. But have this sitting on a flat surface. You may have to cut your potatoes smaller because you want to be able, it should fit into the container. That's going to just barely do it. Take your potato and kind of get it started like that. And then put this on and then just push down. And I've never done this before, so wish me luck. Now you can have peeled your potatoes if you want to, but I'm going to just leave the skins on. Alright, so if you have one of these, I wouldn't recommend it unless you have lots of muscles, which I don't. It was a struggle, and it's supposed to be so much easier. It's supposed to be quickly cut French fries, and for me it did not. Anyway, on to the recipe. After you get them cut, put them in a bowl full of water and set that aside. So take a second bowl and pour in half of your oil. And set that aside. In a third bowl, combine the 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, the 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and then take the 1 tablespoon of oregano and mix this up and set it aside. Get a paper lined plate, take about 1/3 of your French fries and lay them there and pat them dry. Dump them in the oil, sprinkle them with some salt, and toss them to coat. Put your French fries in a single layer. Do not overcrowd it. You want them to get nice and crispy, and if you crowd them, they won't. Put put them in the air fryer, 400 degrees for 10 minutes, and then we'll flip them over. Put these back in the air fryer. I turn them over after the 10-minute mark. 400. We'll do 6. All right, so I let the second half cook for 5 minutes. They look pretty good. Then just put them in the Parmesan mix and toss to coat. And if you don't think they're going to stick, you can drizzle them with the other half of the oil. And then just lay them on a parchment. Try to shake off all the excess Parmesan because you'll need it for your other 2 bunches. And then you do it again 2 more times. All right, so here's the second bunch. We'll put that into the Parmesan garlic mix. Now I just want you to know what a great chef that Anadi is. He goes step by step with everything that he makes, so you can feel like you can accomplish it too. Go ahead and toss this. And he makes such great restaurant quality stuff. So go check him out. I'll leave the link down below. Okay, I'll finish these up and then we'll come back. So here is my contribution to Cooking with Anadi's collaboration, #funfries. Here is the air fryer garlic Parmesan fries, and rounding out the meal is a sub sandwich. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Now what am I testing?
Air fryer garlic Parmesan fries.
That's tasty. Crunchy. They're crunchy on the outside and soft in the middle. I like them.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.